In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your virtual Capitec card. So to get started, go ahead and open the Capitec app on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account with your credentials. So in here, go ahead and head over into the cards section by clicking on that cards tab at the bottom left of your screen. So in here, you'll be able to find your available cards on Capitec. Once you click on the virtual tab beside the cards, the top right of your screen, you'll be able to set up your virtual card by clicking on that add virtual card button. So in here, you just need to set this amount limits for your virtual card before you actually proceed on using the card, just like using a actual card. So go ahead and set this permanent limits, and once you have set this, hit on the next button to proceed with the next steps. So after that, you'll need to agree into the agreement details for this virtual card, and after you agree to this, you'll be able to use your virtual card anytime you like and anytime you need to use it. And that is how you can basically use your virtual Capitec card